So I have some really good news for you.
Yeah, I bet. When you got that stupid thing in your hand, it's got to be great news. What?
Remember your no gardening club, Stiff Dave's no gardening club?
Did you turn that off?
Yeah.
Oh. What about it?
Everybody wants to join.
Everybody wants to join?
Yeah.
Good. Well, we just sit around, drink coffee, and tell lies.
And tell lies about your gardening. Trey wants to be your vice sheriff or something.
She can be in charge.
She can be in charge. So she can make the schedules and arrange the meetings and stuff, and you'll just be there?
Well, it's up to my discretion.
To be the leader?
No, to be there.
To be the leader of the gang?
No. I don't want to be the leader.
You are the leader.
I'm not the leader.
Everybody wants to join your club, honey.
Why?
Because they think you're fun. They want to join the Stiff Dave No Gardening Club.
Well, that'll upset John.
No, John wants to join too.
Oh my God. Anyway.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Do you need a logo?
Yeah, I need a logo.
Do you see how excited he is?
Yeah.
For the Stiff Dave No Gardening Club? And Trey, he says you can be in charge. Yeah. You can make all the decisions and set the schedule, and Dave will just be there. No rules at all?
No.
In the non-gardening club?
No.
Can people garden?
They can garden. They can do whatever they want.
They just have to say no.
They can say no.
They can say no.
That's one of the requirements. You got to be able to say no.
And mean it.
And mean it. And if your other half, whichever, doesn't understand that, go get the dictionary.
Well, does that help when you try to explain?
Well, first you do is open it, point to no, and say, this is what no means, and then you go,
Really?
Yeah.
Is that how you do it?
That's how I'd like to do it.
That's how you'd like to do it?
Yep.
Okay, well, do you have any words of advice for your growing team?
No.
No?
What do you have advice for when you just your whole thing is no?
Can they ever say yes?
That's up to them.
That's up to them?
That's up to them.
Okay. No Dave rules about that?
Huh?
No Stiff Dave rules about that?
No. I told you, there's no rules.
There's no rules? What about penalties?
No penalties, no rules, no taking your weight away or whatever. No counting.
No
Some people can't count anyway.
Leave John out of it.
No, I didn't say that. John, she said that, not me. What?
What?
So it's a real short, group constitution.
Okay.
No rules. You do whatever you want.
No rules. You do whatever you want.
Yeah.
Just say no.
Just say no when it pertains to no.
When it pertains to no.
Yeah. Well, if you want dinner and you say no, that could be. Well, it could be good for some people. I guess.
Depends on how good a cook your other half is.
There you go.
You could starve.
Hang on.
Why? I want you to tell people what your goals are for your club. Your Stiff Dave No Gardening Club.
There ain't no goals.
What do you mean there are no goals?
There's no goals.
Well, what do you guys do?
Whatever you want to do.
Do they have to take videos of them not gardening?
We'll leave that up to Trey.
We'll leave that up to Trey. She gets to make the rules.
Makes the rules.
Okay.
I don't have to abide by them, but she gets to make the rules.
She gets to make the rules for everybody else?
Yes. She's in charge.
She's in charge of everybody?
She's in charge of everybody. She wanted to be president, right?
Even you?
Not me.
Not you?
No.
Okay.
You're
the founder.
I'm the CEO or whatever.
Something.
Yeah.
But she gets to be in charge of everybody else?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm kid.
What are we going to call them? All the stiffies?
The stiff. I don't know if that'd be really a good name. You could put it up there. Have Trey come up with a name,
Have
and then
Trey come up with a name.
She can put it out for votes
There you go.
and stuff.
Should they be called the stiffies?
Well, whatever.
Or the Daves?
Oh no!
Here she
I
comes.
can hear her
Our
shuffling.
garden club is growing.
I should hear the shuffling back there. Where you going, Sharon?
To bother you.
We got no chair out here for you
The
yet.
non-gardening club is growing. Did you know that?
I just found out.
You're popular.
Yeah. Oh, great.
Everybody loves Dave.
Why?
Why not?
Why?
Because you're delightful.
Oh, yeah, I'm delightful. I'm sore.
Delightful and cute too.
And cute, too.
Can you get up from that?
I'll find out.
Was this a test run? Great.
I needed a chair.
She needed a chair to sit on because we don't have her chair out here yet.
Well, you want to go get it?
Yeah.
That's what the thing. You can ask him to help you.
Oh, he always shows up after I'm done.
Yeah, I pulled everything off from it and cleared everything out from around it.
All right, I'm going to have to put it on its side, I think, and get it out.
Yeah.